Okay. Yeah.
Oh, cats! Shit. Cats.
Mine was Anything Goes.
Phantom. Very typical.
Sorry. Totally talking to me. Mine was Mary Poppins.
I think I was 5 and it was at a church play. When I know it was a passion. I don't know, 7th grade, 6th grade, something like that.
I think when I did Follies, sophomore year.
I first performed the show when I was 13 in Peter Pan, but I didn't really realize that it was a passion until 3-4 years after in Follies.
I don't remember the first time I was in a show. I think it was like before 1st grade. But that was when I realized in like 1st grade they gave me the lead in our like nativity kind of thing. It wasn't Mary, it was like a different, it was Rachel for some reason. But that's when I knew that I loved it. And
yeah, actually, I'm actually talking to my friend about PR and advertising for Nickelodeon, and we were talking about that, and I would totally do that.
Theater is more like a hobby to me,
Okay.
but I really want to do music industry.
I don't have a career or a future career in theater. That'd be better to say that part. But I would love to be on TV or movies or any of that kind of stuff.
I'm the same as Mark.
Living life and being happy, getting married and having kids, raising them right.
Just doing what I love, which is music. Hoping maybe own my own business.
Would like to be doing something with music since I'm not right now, but other than that, just be successful and have a business.
So I like totally just said that I wasn't going to have a career in theater, but I'd still like to try to do something kind of on the side, at least for a while. So if I could, I'd like to play Christine in Phantom or Ella in Cinderella. And if it's not theater related, I want to work for like a big beauty or fashion industry company like Chanel or Prada. And also, of course, get married and have a family.
I feel like I'm frozen. Fern Gully. That's not even his name.
Frozen.
I kind of want to see Maleficent, the one that they just released. We all like.
We had 3 going.
I do want to see Frozen, but I think Maleficent would be really cool and like different and interesting. So I'm gonna go with Maleficent.
I played a prostitute in Les Mis. That was my favorite.
I don't know my favorite role. I think I didn't like Othello. I
Didn't like this.
Jane in Vegas Nights.
I'd have to say Che and Evita, even though I studied one of the songs like 7,000 times and did a Spanish accent in it and lost the accent for the whole rest of the show.
Mine, I think, was Disney's Cinderella. That was fun.
Dream role would be what's her name from. That's
her name.
That is her name.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Phantom. Oh. What's her name from?
American Idiot.
Okay. Phantom. From Phantom. Even though I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be able to handle it, I feel like it'd be fun.
I have 3. Is that okay? First one's Christine from Phantom. Second one is Ella from Cinderella. And the third one is Clara in Light in the Piazza.
Couldn't do theater. I guess I would be, well, improv is theater, isn't it?
Like stand-up comedy, is it though?
Oh, I don't think I'm good at that. Child psychology.
Okay. Just jump.
Well, I see myself like working backstage, like production, music. So.
Probably business or marketing.
Mine would be marketing, which is what I'm majoring in.
Bye.
Did you copy me?